All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
What's going on, you guys? This is your boy Sandman is here, or this is Deputy Stan Smith. As of right now, I am going to be showing you guys my gun sounds that I have for GTA 5 or Fivem. If you guys are also wondering what kind of server I play on, it's called Evolution Roleplay. I will be leaving a link down in the description for the website to where you guys can apply and hang out and RP with me. So today, let's go ahead and get into today's video, and I'll be showing you my sound pack. First of all, let's go ahead and get our combat pistol out. This does come with a realistic reloading sound as well. Combat rifle. Pump shotgun. And there are other sounds that I have installed for this. These are the helicopter sounds, and the Crown Vic engine sound, and a siren. And also an opening and shutting door sound for only the Crown Vic. Let's go ahead and get the siren. The engine. Now, this does come with the door chime, but I'm not going to really show this because it's kind of a pain in the butt to do some stuff with it, so. There's the door. Now, let's move on to the helicopter sound. That is basically it for you guys today. I hopefully you guys like this video and all of that. Hopefully you guys do subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I highly suggest you guys actually join this Fivem server that I'm on. It is a really, really great server. It is so fun. There is a lot of stuff that civs can do. You can also apply for sheriff, highway patrol, and PD. It's a very fun server, and the owners of the server are very nice, and the owners of the departments are very nice as well. And hopefully you guys will be joining this server, and hopefully I'll be able to see you guys. As again, peace out.